Going on the road. Going on the road. Going on the road with Harley and Mona. RV broke.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, peeps.
It is Monday morning, I think.
It's Monday afternoon.
Okay, it's Monday afternoon, 2:03 p.m. And where are we going?
We're going to Syme to be houseless.
Yes, we're going to be houseless, but not homeless. So I feel really good about this. I'm ready for it to be done and move on. How do you feel?
I'm ready to take a break because we've been
Oh,
doing stuff.
I know. We've been non-stop. Well, because our closing date was moved from the 10th to the 4th. And so we were ready to have it be done on the 10th. But now we're scrambling to get things out of the house. So anyway, here we go. Talk to you later. Bye. Hi everybody. So this is our last day here. We are completely packed up, ready to leave in the morning. The new owners have their keys. And this is it. So this has been our life place for 36 years. Our life happened here for 36 years. 3 children, Jonathan, Andrew, and Michelle. This was our life. And now we're starting our new life. On the road. Wherever it takes us. It's gonna be exciting. It's gonna be good. And our kids' bedrooms, where we would safely tuck them in bed every night and have some rest and refresh ourselves for the next day. Our life may not have been always happy here, but we did what we could. We did what we thought we should. And I don't have any regrets here. It was, I think it was good for all of us here. Kitchen, we have a lot of activity. The hallway that we would run down and play basketball with our hoop that was stuck up here. The laundry room that did thousands and thousands of loads of wash. And now it's someone else's turn to be here. and to start fresh here. And we only wish them well. We wish them the best life, the life that we had here. And so I just wanted to go through here one more time and shut all the lights off one last time. So, thanks for watching. If you'll continue to watch us and support us as we go on our next adventure. And let's see here. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you later. Bye.
And we're completely out of it.
Yep, we are.
Long, rough day yesterday. 15 hours of cleaning and
Yeah.
moving everything out. So, but that's it.
Anyway. Okay.
See you on the road.
See you on the road.
Bye.
Okay. I think he's gonna drag there with the scooter on the back. We'll see. Yep, he did. But we're good. Goodbye, house. You've been good to us. See you on the road. Bye.
Going on the road, going on the road, going on the road with Harley and Ramona. RV broke.